Hello students, how are you all? Yes, you all are fine, no? So today our subject is grammar. Lesson number 4, I and you. Okay? So today, what are learning points today? Uses of I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Okay, these are our points. Today we have learned this. So today this is our revision, you know. Okay, so I, you, we, he, she, it and they and we. Okay, see here. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Understood this? Today we will learn this. Okay. So, see again learning point. This we have done. We have done worksheets also. But these 2 points we will again revise it. Okay. I. How we have to use I in the sentence? Then you. How we will use this in the sentence when you will come? Okay. Then where will he will come? Then she, it, we and they. Understood? Okay. Now see, I have done this. I, you is used for a boy, a girl, a man or a woman. Understood? See, I, you. When we have to use I and you? When we are talking about a boy, a girl, a man or a woman. Understood this? Yes. Then when we have to use he, we will use he. We will use he for a boy or a man. See, when it is used for a boy, it is used for a man. Understood this? She is used for a girl or a woman. See, when she is used for a girl or a woman. Okay. Now it is used for animals, birds and non-living things. Okay, do you remember this? When it is used, it is used for animals, birds and non-living things. Understood? When we is used for more than one person. Okay, we is used for more than one person. When we are talking about many person, no, and we will use we. Okay. Now when you is used for more than one person or one persons. More than one person or one person. Okay, more than one person or one person. See the difference. You is used for more than one person or one person. Understood this? Yes. Now see they. They is used for more than one person or thing. When is they used? They is used for more than one person or thing. See, again we will do this whenever it will come in the sentence. I, you is used for a boy, a girl, a man or a woman. Okay, and he is used for a boy or a man. She is used for a girl when it is one girl, or a woman when there is a one woman. Okay. It is used for animals, birds and non-living things. See, when it is used for non-living things. Okay. Now we is used for more than one person. When we is used for more than one person. You is used for more than one person or one person. Okay. And see the last one, they. They is used for more than one person or thing. Okay. See now. This is our exercise. See what is here, it is written. Replace the underlined nouns with pronoun. Means underlined here there is given. Pronoun means he, she, it, we, they. These are pronouns. Okay. And these are Ravi. The names are nouns. We have learned this in naming words. Okay. Now see. Rewrite the sentences. Use he, she, it, we, they. What we have to use in the sentence? We have to use he, she, it, we and they. Okay. Replace the underlined nouns with pronoun. Rewrite the sentences. Use he, she, it, we, they. Okay. See now sentence number 1. This is Ravi. Ravi is a good boy. See here the sentence. I have taken Ravi 2 times. Okay. See 2 times Ravi is there. This is a pair of sentence. One sentence and second sentence. Okay. So this we have to take. Only one time we have to take the naming word, that is noun. Okay. So, this is Ravi. Instead of see next sentence, I am writing he. He is a good boy. Okay. This is Ravi. He is a good boy. Okay. Now see number 2. Mother is a good cook. See again. Mother is a good cook. Mother makes delicious cake. See here. Mother is coming 2 times in these 2 sentences. Okay. Both the times we have not use mother. Then what we will use? We will use pronoun. So see how I have done. Mother is a good cook. Mother makes delicious cake. Now see how we have to write answer using she. This is mother, naming word. So we have to use she. So how I will use it? Okay. Mother is a good cook. What will tell? Mother is a good cook. She makes delicious cake. Understood? What we will use? She makes delicious cake. Understood this? See, mother is a good cook. Mother makes delicious cake. Mother is a good cook. She makes delicious cake. Okay. Now see number 3 here. Can you see number 3? Sentence. There are also a pair of sentences. 2 sentences are there. Now we will read the sentence and we will write. It is he, she or it. Okay. We will use he, she or it. I think you all are understanding this. See. The elephant. See here. The elephant is a big animal. Yes, you all know the animal. You all know the elephant. That elephant is a big animal. Okay. You know how to read the sentence. See, read again. The elephant is a big animal. See, first sentence I have read. Now see second sentence. The elephant can lift heavy things. The elephant can lift heavy things. Yes, you all know that elephant is a big animal, so it can lift heavy things. So 2 times elephant has come. Can you see this? Yes, children, see the elephant is a big animal. Then again the next sentence also. The elephant can lift heavy things. But in the answer we have to use he, she, it or they or we. So what will come? This is the name of animal. Elephant is an animal. So we have to use it. So how we have to use it? See, first line we have to keep it as it is. Okay. First line is the first sentence is same. Can you see this? The elephant is a big animal. The elephant is a big animal. But the next sentence differs. Why? We use it instead of the elephant. It can lift heavy things. It can lift heavy things. Understood? Now number 4. Raju and Ronak. See, Raju and Ronak are brothers. Raju and Ronak are brothers. Raju and Ronak are twins. Can you see twins? See, we are talking about Raju and Ronak. So there are more than one person. Okay. So we are talking about Raju and Ronak. So see, there are 2 sentences are there. One number first and second. Okay. Raju and Ronak are brothers. Can you able to read? Yes. Now see, Raju and Ronak are twins. Raju and Ronak are twins. So how we have to write this sentence? We have to write Raju and Ronak are brothers. See, the first sentence is same. Raju and Ronak are brothers. First sentence is same. Now see in the next sentence. Can you see the next sentence? Raju and Ronak are twins. So what will we have to use? We have to use they. They are twins. Okay. Raju and Ronak. There are more than one person. See, 2 persons are there. Raju and Ronak. Both are boys. So we will use they. So Raju and Ronak are brothers. They are twins. Understood this? See, again we will read one time so that you will be able to read and see the difference. Okay. Mother is a good cook. Mother makes delicious cake. Mother is a good cook. She makes delicious cake. Okay. Number 3 is the elephant is a big animal. The elephant is a big animal. The elephant can lift heavy things. The elephant can lift heavy things. Okay. The elephant is a big animal. It can lift heavy things. See, it can lift heavy things. Okay. Now number 4. See number 4. Raju and Ronak are brothers. Raju and Ronak are brothers. Raju and Ronak are twins. See the next sentence. Raju and Ronak are twins. Okay. Raju and Ronak are brothers. They are twins. Understood this? They are twins. So what we will use? They are twins. Understood this? Yes. See now. Next one. See number 5. Johnny is a singer. See this, read this. See this and read it. Johnny is a singer. See first sentence. See the second sentence. Johnny can sing any song. Johnny is a singer. Johnny can sing any song. Okay. So what will be the answer? Johnny is a singer. He can sing any song. Okay. Johnny is a singer. Instead of Johnny we have to use he. We are using he. He can sing any song. Yes. Okay. Have you understood this sentence number 5? Okay. Now sentence number 6. Here. The children are playing. The children are playing. The children are playing in the garden. The children are playing in the garden. Okay. Now see what we have to write here. See the difference. Okay, see the answer. You will know the difference. Where we have to use they. Understood? The children. See, the children are playing. They are playing in the garden. Okay. See, the children are playing. That next sentence we are not using the children. We will use they. T-H-E-Y, they. There are children, so many small children, okay, boys and girls. So they are playing in the garden. Okay. Now see number 7. I and Johnny are friends. I and Johnny play together. See here. I and Johnny are friends. I and Johnny play together. So what will be the answer? I and Johnny are friends. Here I and Johnny are friends. Then we have to use we. We play together. We play together. Okay now? Have you understood? See again I will read it. Okay. Johnny is a singer. Johnny can sing any song. Johnny is a singer. He can sing any song. Okay. The children are playing. The children are playing in the garden. So the children are playing. They are playing in the garden. Okay, number 7. I and Johnny are friends. I and Johnny are friends. I and Johnny play together. So, I and Johnny are friends. We play together. Okay, I think now you have all understand this. Okay. See now this one. See this exercise. Choose the correct pronoun. Choose the correct pronoun. You know pronoun he, she, it, you, they. Okay. So, Sam is a boy. Sam is a boy. What will come here? He is 10 years old. Sam is a boy. He is 10 years old. Okay. Dana and I are and friends. Dana and I are friends. So we live in Tel Aviv. Okay. What we all are friends. Dana and I and friends means we three more the friends. So there are many friends. Dana and I and friends. So there are many people. Okay. So more person, more than one person. So we will use we because here I also is included. So we live in Tel Aviv. Okay. Dana and I and friends, we live in Tel Aviv. Okay. The dog is big. See the dog is big. Yes. So for the dog we will use it. Okay. So what we will, this is an animal. So it is brown. Okay, the dog is big. It is brown. Understood? Now see here. These books are new. These books are new. They are for school. Understood? They are for school. You and Palm are sisters. See here, who are sister? You and Palm are sisters. So what will you come? You. See, you and Palm. So you is there. So two persons. Okay, more than one person. So you are nice. Okay. Sarah is at home. See, this is a girl's name. Sarah is at home. So we will use she. She is not at the park. She is not at the park. Understood? See, again we will use this. Sam is a boy. He is 10 years old. Dana and I are friends. We live in Tel Aviv. The dog is big. It is brown. These books are new. They are for school. Okay, these books. We are talking about books. Books are many books. No, not more than one. So we will use they. You and Palm are sisters. You are nice. Okay. Sarah is at home. She is not at the park. Okay. See now here, underline the correct pronoun. See here, you have to underline it. This we have done. Okay. So I have taken in revision also. This I have taken in revision also. So see here, he or she is kicking the ball. Can you see the picture? There is a girl kicking the picture. So for girl, I have explained you before that for girl we will use she. He or she is kicking the ball. So what will come for the girl? She. Yes. She is kicking the ball. Okay, see here she is kicking. We have done this before. So you should know that for girl we have to use she. This is my or their hat. See, this boy is having a hat. What he will tell? It is not their hat. It is the boy's hat. So he is picking. So what will come? This is my hat. Okay, my hat. Understood? Now it or they. See what we have to use. First you see the picture. Can you see the picture? Yes. It or they are dancing. So what we will use? They. They are dancing. Understood? They are dancing. Okay. Now see. You or it is a blue bag. Can you see your bag? Can you see the bag here? Yes. So it will not be you. The bag, it is a thing. So we will use it. It is a blue bag. Okay, this color of the bag is blue. So we can tell it is a blue bag. Okay. Now see, he or she. He, see here, can you see the picture? It is a boy or a girl. So it is a boy. So what we will use? He. He is standing up. We will not use she. She is used for a girl. We will use he. Okay. He is standing up. I or it. It is eating grass. Here, can you see the cow? Can you see the cow eating grass? Here. Yes, the cow is eating grass. So cow is an animal. So what we have to use? We will use it. It is eating grass. It is eating grass. Okay. See now again we will do this. Okay. See here. See here. He, she is kicking the ball. This is my hat. They are dancing. It is a blue bag. He is standing up. It is eating grass. Okay? See, again I am telling you, we will read this. Underline the correct pronoun. See, you have to underline it. See, she is kicking the ball. Can you see the girl kicking ball? Yes. This is my hat. This is my hat. Okay. They are dancing. It is a blue bag. He is standing up. It is eating grass. It is eating grass. Okay? Have you all understood this? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. See now next one. See, match. I have not done this. This you have to do yourself. I will give you this. Okay? This you have to do this yourself. You have to do it yourself. You all know how it is, where you have to match it. Okay, first I will read here. The dogs, mom, Arun, dad and I, you and an, then a cat. Okay, see here. Here it is written he, she, he, you, they, it and we. Okay, see, you have to match it with this. This I will not do it. You have to do it yourself. Okay? So, the dogs. Okay, the dogs. What will come? The dogs. So, it will come they. There are many dogs, no more than one. So, they. Mom. Mom means mother. M-O-M, mom. Mom means mother. So, for mother, we will use she. Mom, we will use she. So, where we have to match it? With she. Understood this? Dogs, they. Mom, she. Okay. Now see Arun. A-R-U-N. Arun. Where it will come? He. Yes, it is a boy's name. So, Arun. Arun is he. Okay. Dad and I. See, I is there. Dad and I is also included. So, more than one person. There are two persons. Dad and I. So, what we will use? We. Where we have to match? With we. Understood this? Yes or no? Yes. Dad and I, we. You and an. You and an. See, you and an. So, we will use you. Y-O-U. You. You and an. You. Okay. A cat. See, this is an animal. A cat. So, we have to match it with it. A cat. We have to match it with it. Understood this? Yes or no? See, again I will do this. Revise it. Okay. The dogs means they. We have to match it with they. Mom, we have to match it with she. Arun, this we will match it with he. Dad and I, we have to match it with we. You and an, we have to match it with you. A cat, that is it. Okay, a cat, it is it. Understood this? Yes or no? See again, the dogs, they. Mom, she. Arun, he. Dad and I, we. You and an, you. A cat, it is it. Okay, a cat, it. The dogs, they. Mom, she. Arun, he. Dad and I, we. You and an, you. A cat, it is it. Understood this? Yes or no? Okay. So now I think you all have understood this. Okay? Yes. So you have to do it very good, very nice and properly. Understood this? Yes. So don't disturb your parents. Be at home safe. Listen to your parents. Okay, you will listen no to them. Do your work. Okay, do your work with your own handwriting and don't go out. Be safe at home and do your work with good handwriting. Okay, thank you. Yes.